Hello friends, today what we are going to see is how to add header or footer to your document. Okay, so we know this whole document is now having no headers or no footers. So what we are going to see is how to activate the header or footer simply. So just by clicking twice on it, so this will activate our header. So I wanted the header to be like so chapter 1. So I have made that header. Okay, fine, right? And you can add page numbers to it by very easily by going insert. There is a page number option. You can select one among those. So I am not concentrating on it now. Okay, so now header had been added very comfortably, and now I can close it. Now you can see the whole document is with header chapter 1, chapter 1, chapter 1. So but the problem in here is the whole document become a chapter 1. I don't want that to be like that, right? So I don't want this chapter 1 any header on this particular page list of figures. So what I'm going to do now is, if you observe this carefully, so this whole document is now considered to be as one particular section. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make it whole document into two sections. The pages above the cursor as one section, and page below the cursor as one more section. So how to do that? It is very easy. Go for the page layout and go for a breaks. Here you can see the section breaks. So there you have an option like next page. So just click on it, and now the whole document had become two sections as we have already seen. Now click on the two links. Now if you see, there is one particular thing which is inactive, activated, which is linked to previous. So I don't want that to be active. So now you can see the section 1, section 2. So when this particular button is active, the section 1, section 2 is linked, so which I don't want. So I'm making inactive that and going for the section 1 and removing the unwanted thing in the section 1, but in section 2 I'm keeping that header as it is, right? Now just close your header. Now you can see, now for chapter 1 the header is chapter 1, and list of figures there is no header at all, right? You understood it, right? Very easy. And now we can do that the same thing for chapter 2 as well. So now you might be knowing this chapter 2 is chapter 2 now it has come. Okay, chapter 2 now it has become a chapter 1 only. I mean the header is chapter 1 only, which I don't want. So I'll change it. So what to do? Same thing. Go for a page layout, break. Go for a page layout, break, section breaker, next page. It has been broken. Now select it. Now you can see section 2, section 3. Unlink the chapter and go for it and make it chapter 2 in header, and chapter 1 let it be for the section 2. Just close the footer or header. You will get as per your convenience, right? So it is so easy for that. Now we will see one more thing in it. Okay, so like how to add. I don't want this chapter 1 to be for all these things, all the pages in chapter 1. So we can add as per our convenience as well. See, for suppose I am telling chapter 1. So first page we need the header to be chapter 1, and second page I need it to be something else, my name or dissertation work or something. So for that what we need to do is different or same design you go. Header or footer, different odd and even pages, you can select it. So when you select, it has come. So now if you see the link to previous section, so now even pages, right? Now we are in an even page. Now even page is already linked with the previous thing, previous section. So that also we have to unlink. So just make unlink and just write whatever you want to write. Okay, so that dissertation work is what I have written, and just close it. Now you can see the two different things appearing in. So odd pages are come chapter 1 and even pages will come dissertation work, right? So just like that button. And this I don't need to change for every chapter, so it can be hold like that. So dissertation work is same for every chapter. And if you want to add for each chapter, and we have to continue, see we will go for a chapter 2. So and I wanted to add different thing for chapter 2 even pages. So then what we need to do, we have to unlink it. and write whatever you want. So see, I'm just unlinking it, and for chapter 2 I'm going to write C2 dissertation. Okay, which means a different name only. I'm just giving a different name. Now you can see in chapter 1 it remained the same as dissertation, and in chapter 2 you can see it as C2 dissertation. That is for easy. So this is how, by using the section segregation or section breakers, we can write different headers for different chapters and different pages, right? I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood this. It's very easy trick, and this is how we can make it very simple and easily, right? So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.